Hello fellas, welcome. If you're your first time here, please subscribe. So today I want to show you how to solve this problem. As you can see, I'm trying to press the trigger of the welding torch, but nothing is going on, or the torch does not feed the wire. So here are some of the things that I did that made me to be the winner. So as you can see, I've been using a spool gun before. As you can see, the settings, the wire speed is higher than voltage. But when I put the torch trying to do steel, it was refusing to weld. So I thought it's because this is wobbling or something. I tried to remove it, put it back and forth, but nothing worked. So I removed it for the fourth time and tried to tie it very good, but this was not helping. So let's watch the video, see how we can solve this problem without buying any of these torch or machine. Let's go. Another thing we need to pay attention on is those connecting terminals that supplies power to the trigger. As you can see, they are very thin at the end. So I think that's the main problem. That was my first suspect, and I think it was it comparing to the spool gun. For the spool gun on the left, you see those ones are big. On the right of the torch, they are very thin. Maybe they're wobbling and are not connecting very well. So the thing that you need to check first, if whether it could be a machine that has a problem. You have to have a wire bandit to access those holes. If you touch both of them, this has to feed the wire. The machine has to feed the wire, as you can see. So your machine is right. The gas is coming out, and after that, you need to connect one of the lead to the wire, and you have to. The sound of the solenoid that opens the gas has to sound when you touching it. You touch the one sleeve, and the wire has to go to that welding wire. See, here's the same terminal. This cannot sound, but that one, yes. So the machine is right. Okay, after we are done with the machine, the next thing that we need to do is to test the torch. So have your digital multimeter selected, to the continuity test. See, it has to sound like this because of the trigger. Trigger was the same way as I demonstrated using that wire touching the sleeve leads. So if we connect these jumpers on these two connecting leads, it has to sound the same way as it was doing. So here you go. That's it. As you can hear the sound, your torch is right. So if you don't pay attention on these guys, you might invest on another machine. So the thing that you need to do is to get a wire, measure it, the depth of those sleeves, cut two of them that you need to drop inside those sleeves or holes. You just leave them in there for the rest of your life. Do not remove them. This is going to save you. There is nothing danger on putting this inside because the torch terminal, those terminals, little terminals on the torch have springs underneath them. They're able to retract back and forth. They go inside and out. So when they collide with the wires inside those sleeves, they are going to have a good connection without anything getting damaged. So this is the way you can save. This is the way how you can save both of these for the rest of your life. Now let's test it. There we go, this is perfect. Okay, let's try to weld for the first time after putting those little wires. And go to the settings. This is how you set your Mig speed. Low voltage a little bit. And yeah, this is it. So that's it, guys. So if you find this video interesting, please subscribe and also check one of my channel. So I'll put it on the description. So now I need to put back this spool gun without removing those liquor wires. I want to do another aluminum weld because I've been doing it before. Let's see if is there any disturbance on the machine and between the machine and the spool gun after putting the wire. So there we go. So I just decided to put this short video to show those who are struggling to set the spool gun, doing the aluminium welding. So here are the settings, guys. The voltage is to be much lower than the wire speed. So you can see it's over 60 and it's somewhere between 20 and 30. So make sure that the wire speed is higher than voltage. Subscribe. So to do aluminium, remember to use 100% argon gas.